Complaint namta ka SSC Recruitment Order of Light Staff Selection Commission Tentative Vacancies kalong nyoja transfer of vacancies Job location kadai Inter India Last date kalong Waitri Ume Order of Light Pay Scale Wise Vacancy List kalong Pay Level 8 Kantup namta ka Assistant Audit Officer but Assistant Account Officer Pay Level 7 Kantup namta ka Assistant Section Officer Assistant Section Officer Inspector of Income Tax Inspector but Inspector Examiner Assistant Enforcement Officer Sub Inspector Inspector Post but Inspector Pay Level 6 Kantup namta ka Assistant Section Officer Executive Assistant Research Assistant Divisional Accountant Sub Inspector but Junior Intelligence Officer Junior Statistic Officer Pay Level 5 Kantup namta ka Auditor Accountant Junior Accountant Pay Level 4 Kantup namta ka Postal Assistant Shooting Assistant Senior Secretariat Assistant Upper Division Clerk Senior Administrative Assistant Tax Assistant but Sub Inspector Age limit Katpra Hadu Life Arts Nam Karta Ka Upper Age Relaxation Kadai Katkum Ka Government of India Nom Tonkam Qualification Assistant Audit Officer Assistant Accounting Officer Bachelor Degree na kono ka Recognized University Lane Institute Bar Junior Statistical Officer Bachelor Degree na kono ka Subject na ka Recognized University Lane Institute La kuno 20% Mark haka Mathematic haka 12 Standard Level Lane Bachelor Degree na kono ka Subject jong ka Statistic kumkawe jong ka Subject haka Degree Level Malay Statistical Investigator Grade 2 Bachelor Degree na kono ka Subject haka Statistic kumkawe na ki Subject haka Recognized University Lane Institute Ikandet kidewan pule ya ka Statistic kum ka Subject habar oki lai snam lane ndu terli ki semester jong ka graduation course Besau Research Assistant haka National Human Rights Commission Bachelor Degree na ka Recognized University Lane Institute Baro bat kui ki post Bachelor Degree na ka Recognized University Kemudian apply namanta ka SSC Recruitment Order of Light SSC CGL Order of Light Exam Ikandat kila akan apply online lengba ka SSC official website nadu ka laiterik Nebusau Order of Light hadu laiterik Nebusan Order of Light Ka application fees kalong cispa namanta ki women candidate SC ST PWBD ex-serviceman kalong undan Ikandat kila akan siu lengba ka online lengba ka BHIM UPI net banking lane pila income lengba ka Visa Mastercard Maestro Rupiah Credit lane debit card lane pila bensu cash haka SBI branch dak kaba generating SBI challenge Kulishubun